Hello everyone, good morning to all. And yesterday we will discuss about the macronutrients, macro and macronutrients and macro and micronutrients. Yesterday we will discuss about in micronutrients vitamins, all the 13 vitamins, total 13 vitamins. We have discussed in clearly with deficiency and with rich sources of vitamins. Now today we will discuss about our minerals. Minerals comes under our micronutrients. In minerals, in classify in two form. Vitamins classify in two form. First fat soluble and then water soluble. And same minerals classify in two form. First microminerals, macrominerals. Macrominerals and then second microminerals. First macrominerals and then second microminerals. Two types of minerals asked in micronutrients and minerals. So today we will discuss minerals to classify macrominerals and microminerals. First we will discuss about the macrominerals. First macrominerals calcium. Calcium rich sources calcium, milk product, dark leaf green vegetables, almonds, fish with bone. And calcium also responsible for our bone, teeth and help to clotting our blood. Daily requirement of calcium is 1 gram approx. And deficiency of calcium rickets, osteoporosis, hypoglycemia and osteopenia. Rich sources, milk product, calcium first comes macronutrients and sources milk product and green leafy vegetables. And deficiency comes under the calcium deficiency. Rickets, osteoporosis. These two deficiency comes under the lack of calcium. Now second potassium. Resources beans, dark vegetables, potato, banana, fish, mushroom, yogurt and squash. Beans, banana and vegetables. Daily requirement of this potassium 3.5 gram approx. And deficiency low potassium deficiency called hypokalemia. Deficiency is called hypokalemia due to lack of potassium. Now here third sodium. Sodium minerals. Sodium minerals rich source fast food, table salt, and salad. That is our rich sources of sodium. Now deficiency comes under sodium hyponatremia. Hyponatremia. Deficiency is called hyponatremia. Deficiency is called hyponatremia. Comes from due to lack of sodium. Now, fourth and most important, magnesium. Please write down 3. Then fourth, magnesium. Fourth, magnesium. What? Fourth, magnesium. Magnesium. Found in resources of magnesium: fish, beans, whole grains, banana, dry foods. That is the rich sources of magnesium. Which rich sources? Vegetables, fish, beans, bananas, dark chocolate, and deficiency and everyday requirement. That is a proper functioning of nerves, muscles boost the immune system and normalize the heartbeat by the help of magnesium. And daily requirement of magnesium 0.4 gram. And deficiency of magnesium is called hypomagnesemia. Hypomagnesemia is a deficiency called magnesium. And then second, phosphorus. The main source of phosphorus are meat product, milk and milk product. Meat product, milk product. I already told you, for bones, teeth, and our body bones, teeth require the 3 main components: vitamin D, calcium, and phosphorus. So maintain your healthy bone and teeth comes by the help of 3 most important components. First, vitamin D, and second, calcium and phosphorus. So here phosphorus comes from milk products and meat products. And due to deficiency of phosphorus is called rickets in children and osteomalacia. Rickets in children and osteomalacia. And osteomalacia. Now we will proceeding to, that is a 5 most, that is a 4 and 5. 5 most important macronutrients. First, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, and phosphorus. That is a main macro minerals. Now we will talk about micro minerals. We'll talk about micro minerals. Now here we will discuss about the micro minerals. First and most micro minerals means that is required in a minerals that is required in a less amount in our body. जो कम मात्रा में हमारी बॉडी में जो मिनरल्स मिलते हैं उन्हें माइक्रो बोलते हैं. मैक्रो जो हमारी ज्यादा मात्रा में, मैक्रो मीन्स लार्ज अमाउंट रिक्वायर्ड इन योर बॉडी, सो दैट इज मैक्रो मिनरल्स, एंड माइक्रो दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स. सो हियर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट माइक्रो मिनरल्स. फर्स्ट माइक्रो मिनरल्स आयोडीन. फर्स्ट माइक्रो मिनरल्स iodine. Source and deficiency. Iodine produced by the ingredient of hormones produced by the thyroid gland, which also required for growth and production of blood cells and metabolism and production of nerves and muscles function and maintenance body temperature. First, iodine required for the good well functioning of thyroid gland. Iodine required. So, and lack of iodine required enlargement of your thyroid gland. We can say that this condition is called Goitre कंडीशन कहलाती है, जिसमें हमारी थायराइड ग्लैंड बढ़ जाती है ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ आयोडीन. सो द मेन सोर्स ऑफ आयोडीन इज फूड, सी फूड, फिश, आयोडाइज्ड सॉल्ट. सी फूड, फिश, seafood, fish and iodized salt. That is comes iodine, rich sources. Now deficiency is called goitre. In goitre, enlargement, आपकी थायराइड ग्लैंड का साइज बढ़ जाता है. enlargement of your thyroid gland. That is conditions come from lack of due to deficiency of iodine and sources seafood. Now second main objective, micro minerals is called iron. Rich sources of iron is called fish, red meat and whole grain. Fish, red meat and vegetables. That is a rich sources of iron. Now, due to daily requirement of iron 18 milligram for adults, and iodine required for production of hemoglobin. When lack of iron, we can say that lack of hemoglobin, so this condition is called, deficiency is called anemia. Deficiency is called anemia. Deficiency is called anemia. Deficiency is called anemia. Now, third. Chromium. Chromium, rich sources of chromium, nuts, cheese, orange juice, potato, raw tomato. Chromium, nuts, cheese, potatoes. And causing anxiety and fatigue, chromium deficiency is called increase the risk of the diabetes. एंजाइटी और फटीग आती है जब इसमें क्रोमियम लैक हो जाता है. तो जो डिफिशिएंसी कौन सी क्रिएट होती है? लैक ऑफ ड्यू टू क्रोमियम डिफिशिएंसी इज कॉल्ड रिस्क ऑफ डायबिटीज. कौन सी डिफिशिएंसी क्रिएट होती है? डायबिटीज डिफिशियंसी क्रिएट होती है जब क्रोमियम हमारी बॉडी में कम होता है. नाउ सेकेंड एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट विल टॉक अबाउट copper and daily requirement of chromium is 120 milligram 120 milligram पर 2000 कैलोरी. एक जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो उसमें जो 2000 कैलोरी है उसकी 120 मिलीग्राम हमें रिक्वायरमेंट कहाँ से मिलती है, उसमें से कैलोरी 2000 कैलोरी में से हमें 120 मिलीग्राम रिक्वायरमेंट आनी चाहिए क्रोमियम की. नाउ नेक्स्ट discuss about the copper. Next discuss about the copper. Copper also is a micro new minerals. Now first iodine, second iron, third chromium and fourth copper. Note down please. Then fourth copper. Fourth, copper. Copper is needed for iron metabolism. And main sources of copper, liver, sesame seeds and dark chocolate. Dark chocolate. Now that is a good source of copper. Now insufficient of copper lead to anemia and reduction of WBC count. And everyday requirement of copper is 2 milligram in our body, daily requirement 2 milligram. And now insufficient of intake of copper lead to anemia and reduction in WBC. Which deficiency? Anemia and reduction in WBC. Anemia and reduction of WBC count in our blood. That is a main causes, main deficiency comes under the copper. Now sources: liver, sesame seeds, dark chocolates. That is its main sources of copper. And daily requirement of copper is 2 milligram daily. 2 milligram daily. Now second and last is called zinc. It's called zinc. Zinc helpful for stronger immune system, digestive system, diabetes control and reduction of stress, metabolism of energy and quicker recovery from burns. Zinc. First we will discuss about the sources of zinc. Sources of zinc: red meat. Red meat and sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds. Cooked oysters. That is a main source of zinc. Where in rich source we can say that of zinc. Now we will talk about the daily requirement. 50 milligram per day. 50 milligram per day requirement for zinc. 50 milligram per day requirement for zinc. Now adult and above the age of 4 years. Now is a deficiency. Deficiency is called hair loss, Now, deficiency from hair loss, diarrhea, appetite loss, and skin condition. In skin conditions like acnes and pimples, that is comes under skin conditions. So that is a main deficiency from microminerals. Main deficiency come from microminerals. And main rich sources is called red meat, sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds. That is a rich source of zinc. Now, here we will discuss about macrominerals and microminerals with their rich sources, with their deficiency, and with their daily requirement. And I repeat that copper requirement food 2 mg per daily, 15 mg per daily, and that is resources and deficiency. Please note down this. Now here our multivitamins and our minerals completed with macro and micro and multivitamin, also fat soluble and butter soluble vitamins. Now my next topic is nutritive food and non-nutritive component of diet. Nutritive food is two types: macronutrient. Just previous classes also we discussed about nutrients, means which components they provide our nutritions, like protein, carbohydrate, and fat. That is macronutrients, and micronutrients, vitamins and minerals comes under micronutrients. Now we will talk about non-nutritive component of diet. Non-nutritive component of diet. Non-nutritive component of diet, fiber या roughage. First fiber या roughage. Fibers mainly helpful for fibers mainly helpful for our digestion of our food. So that is fibers and roughage. They are non-nutritive. They do not provide any calorie. They do not provide any minerals and components, and we can say that vitamins. And fibers also daily requirement is 30 gram in your diet. Fibers sources like in fruits, dark green leafy vegetables, cereals, grains, and nuts and legumes. That is comes in this non-nutritive food fibers. Now second non-nutritive food is water. In water, daily requirement, like in adult average 2.5 liter water, approx 8 glass of water, and 20% of water from directly solid food, and our body take 50% water comes from directly fruits and green leafy vegetables. And our body, in our total body, fill 1/3 part with water. 1/3 part with the water. We can say that 70% water in our body. Now, other non-nutritive component, color compound, flavor compound, and plant compound. Color compound like colors, carotenoid, orange, yellow colors, and green and flavonoids, blue, red, and creamy colors. Milk is white due to reflection of light from colloidal scattering of milk protein, not in a flavors. That is scattering light. स्कैटिंग लाइट की वजह से हमें मिल्क सफेद दिखाई देता है, उसमें कोई कलर्ड फ्लेवर नहीं होता। बट अदर्स जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं हम, जैसे कोई लड्डू बनाया तो उसमें जो रंग बदलते हैं वो ड्यू टू फ्लेवर ऐड करते हैं, जो फ्लेवर हमें कोई न्यूट्रिशन नहीं प्रोवाइड करता। ऐसे ही फ्लेवर्स कंपाउंड्स लाइक सिट्रिक एसिड इन लेमन and alkaline flavor in baking soda, so that is a flavor compound. Now plant compound is a harmful and healthy impact depending on several factors. Caffeine and excessive amount of caffeine in body increase heart rate. Caffeine is a plant compounds, so that is all comes under non-nutritive compounds. So here complete our non-nutritive food, vitamins and minerals, and tomorrow we will discuss about calculating BMI and pitfall of health. Thank you. Have a nice day.